In this video, I'll show you how to bold text in LinkedIn post. The first thing to know is that LinkedIn does not offer native bold formatting inside regular feed posts. LinkedIn's help pages for creating posts describe standard post creation, but they do not include bold or italic tools for feed posts. By contrast, LinkedIn's article editor does include style and formatting tools, including bold and italic text. So if your goal is a normal LinkedIn post, the usual workaround is to use a Unicode text formatter outside LinkedIn, then copy and paste the styled text into your post. That makes the text look bold, but it is not true built-in formatting from LinkedIn. This distinction matters because the characters are converted into alternate Unicode symbols rather than actual rich text styling. Here is how to do it. First, write your LinkedIn post in plain text. After that, open a Unicode text formatter in your browser, paste the part you want to emphasize, and convert it into a bold-looking version. Then copy that styled text and paste it back into the LinkedIn post composer. Once you are happy with how it looks, publish the post as usual. LinkedIn's standard posting flow still happens through the normal post box on desktop or mobile. A good tip here is to use this sparingly. If you bold too much text, the post can become harder to read and less professional. There is also an accessibility issue to keep in mind, because Unicode-styled characters may not work well for every reader or assistive tool. That means bold-looking text can grab attention, but it is not always the best choice for readability. Now, and if you are creating a LinkedIn article instead of a regular post, that is different. LinkedIn's article editor has built-in formatting options, so you can bold text directly there without using any external workaround. That feature applies to articles, not standard feed posts. So the simple answer is this: you cannot natively bold text in a regular LinkedIn post, but you can make text appear bold by using a Unicode formatter and pasting it into the post. If you want real built-in bold formatting, use a LinkedIn article instead. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.